Here's Western Nevada.
Good morning, everyone. This is Chris Mawson from the National Weather Service in Reno. It was an exceptionally hot, dry, and smoky summer, and regardless of whether we see another dry winter or perhaps a much more active one, we will see at least a couple solid winter storms. So a few of the things I'm thinking about to prepare: how are my car tires doing? Do I have chains in an emergency kit? Are my gutters and drainages clear of debris? And do I have a place to store my outdoor stuff when high winds arrive? A little preparation now will help a ton once we get into a stormy winter pattern. This has been the October monthly test of the Emergency Alert System.
Well, missed Southern Nevada for this year, so I'll have to wait next year for that. That's going to be a 2-year separation between 2021 and 2023, but at least I got Western Nevada, so it's better than...
In the morning and night, otherwise clear. Highs in the upper 60s and... The coastal waters forecast for the following waters from point. Piedras Blancas to point.
There you go.
This is a test of the Eastern Nevada Emergency Alert System. Broadcasters, cable operators, and the National Weather Service have set up the EAS as a way for public safety officials to keep you informed in the event of a disaster. This station provides this service free of charge as a part of our commitment to serve the community. Stay informed and safe by listening and watching your favorite local radio, television, and cable stations. This concludes today's test of the Emergency Alert System.
This is the October required monthly test of the Emergency Alert System on NOAA Weather Radio. Federal, state, and local officials and the National Weather Service use EAS to keep you informed in the event of an emergency or disaster through your local radio and TV stations and cable providers of NOAA Weather Radio. This concludes today's test of the Emergency Alert System.
Full-range physical therapy.
Of course, KLK used their own RMT script for playing the actual RMT audio like always.